Welcome one and all to the Vinny and Aaron Show. Each day we do something that's really cool. So stay tuned to see what happens next on the Vinny and Aaron
Show.
Hey Jess, guess what I really want to see right now?
Me?
Other than that, obviously.
Oh, what?
I really want to see somebody juggle. Hey Jess.
Staring at me.
Oh, because you're so cute.
Do you know how to juggle?
What are you video? What?
Do you know how to juggle?
Yeah.
Can you juggle for us?
Juggle this.
And this.
And this.
Okay. What is
Go!
this? Oh, okay.
Fun. It's a talent show.
Okay. What do I win?
Me. Yay!
Yay! Just an Annie Show.
Just an Annie Show.
Smile. Ani! No, Ani! Ani! I don't care.
Well, we gotta
Annie, no,
Wow,
it's
thank
playing
you.
now. It's playing. It's recording.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Stop!
Hi.
Annie said Annie wasn't in the camera the whole time. She's
I'm
bad.
sorry.
You said my name wrong. WTF is up with that?
It was a
Oh, I'm not in
blink
the
out.
camera. My bad.
We're not
Yeah, no,
good
you're
at
not
being
on
the camera.
camera.
My
Bitch.
name's
Bitch.
really Jen. It's not Jess.
I'm Jess.
FYI.
Annie.
I forgot.
Yeah.
She's bad. She's in the center now because she's bad at remembering.
Yep.
We like the Vinny and Aaron show.
We like the Vinny and Aaron show, so we thought
Jen,
we'd
Jen,
try to
stop.
make it up.
Jen.
But we're definitely not as good as them.
Remake.
So
We should have a joint
I
show
want-
sometime.
I
That would
want
be
Vinny.
awesome.
I want Vinny. He's mine.
No, I think
Mine.
Vinny.
No, he's
And
mine.
Aaron. And
We like
everybody
them
else.
both.
No, Vinny's
Yeah.
mine.
We love you. Bye.
Vinny's mine.
Welcome one and all to the Vinny and Aaron Show.
Oh,
Each day we do
what?
something
I don't
that's
remember.
really cool.